Thank you, Ninja Sutawako guys. Today, we're going to be playing that one right there, Dragon Ball Z Ultimate Power. Now, this was from DragonBallZGames.org. Now, disclaimer: I am not sponsored. Definitely not sponsored by DragonBallZGames.org. Oh, I wish I was. I like this. You even get content. You can even get to new content for this. Like, look at this. There's literally a game coming out, an app coming out called Dragon Ball Legends, and look at this. There's Fused Zamasu has been announced. Fused Zamasu. Probably any other of you who watches don't even know what I'm talking about, but I don't care. But anyway, let's get right into it. Get right into it. And yes, I am completely topless. Do not ask. Yes, I am completely topless. Do not ask. It's my home. Mikasa. Don't bother me. Don't worry about me. Stupid ass. Okay, hold on. Alright, so this is the game right here. This is what I like about this game. I like its music. Like, listen to this. Alright, now, let's do solo. The CPU. I've played this game before, but I want you guys to see me play it. Now, let's see. Let's do like an easy battle. Let's not do a reenactment battle. Right now, I'm gonna close my eyes. Let's do a random battle. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna move this around. Hopefully the character I pick can transform. Here it goes. Okay, now I don't know which characters I picked. I picked Android. Kiss his hands. Alright, now oh shoot. Then he beat me. I'm Android 14. He's the gray guy. Okay, guys, watch this. I'm beating you up. Ooh, I have no idea what this move is called. Shoot him again. I'm gonna shoot you again. Watch this. I want to hit him one combo. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I should have blocked. That was my fault. That was my mistake. Dang, we could have class attacks. You do not want to see us clash attacks. Dang, he beat me up. I gotta. I literally attacked him head on. Watch this. Freaking die. That should have killed him. You all know that should have killed him. And that killed him. Alright, that was not bad. Okay, we're gonna do one more. We're not gonna do a reenactment battle, but I'm gonna tell you why. Now we're gonna do another random battle. Here it goes. I'm gonna close my eyes. I have Team Gohan. Oh man, that must be a coincidence. I did not plan this out, guys. By the way, if you guys like charge your energy, like I can literally like transform. I know that's not fair. Yada. I'm a little catch Piccolo off guard. I'm fighting my original master, bruh. And I'm winning. Oh man, he got me with the Masenko. Okay, I got this. I can do that too, watch. Masenko! Huh? Oh, dang it, I missed. Oh, no. You walked right into that. I saw that. Alright, here it goes. Alright, I'm about to hit him with a yada-da-da. Yada-da-da. Matter of fact, do you guys think that, matter of fact, do you guys think that, dang, I caught that boy by surprise. Okay, now I'm gonna go Super Saiyan 2. I know that seems a little bit unfair, cause Piccolo's not that strong. Come on. Guys, I bet I can win this. Okay, now I'm not even trying. Like he did with Cell. Dang it. Look at that cocky look on his eyes. That's what got his father killed. That's what's, yeah, y'all know that moment where thing. It's just a mini Kamehameha. They should have done like the motionless Kamehameha. If you, the only people who were, if they watch the Cell fight. Alright, I won. Alright, now I'm gonna choose somebody. Now I wanna choose somebody. Now, I'm not gonna do a reenactment battle. Now, I'm gonna do brother versus brother. What do you think of it? What do you think I'm gonna do? Pow versus Bow. That beam, dang it. Let me transform, cause I know I'm wrong in this state. It won't stand a chance. Dang, I'm as big as my father in size. Okay, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Death ball. Hit him with another death ball. Now I did not know that from the anime. Now see, why does the back of Frieza's head look like a mine? Why did I say that? This is supposed to be kid friendly. Final form. You know, I know he's stronger than me either way. But you know, it's always good to have fun, right? Death beam. By the way, the green bar is your stamina. You're supposed to have, if you don't have enough, dang, we just clashed attacks. Did y'all see that? We just clashed attacks. That's what's happening. They like cancel, they cancel each other out. Death beam. Death ball. Oh, okay, he's dead. Okay, now. Okay, guys, now, I want to show y'all something very weird that I found out. So apparently, King Vegeta, I'll show you. Let's go back on. Watch this. Apparently, King Vegeta can do something that really makes no sense. It never has happened in the Dragon Ball series. Of course, Bardock can do that, but watch this. Hold on, watch this. Watch this. Watch that. Charge on my energy. It'll make sense. Watch this. King Vegeta can go freaking Super Saiyan. That makes no sense, guys. What's this? What amount of sense does that make? And plus, he can do the freaking Final Flash. Sorry. I did that on purpose just to make a point. Final Flash. Come on, Bardock. Go Super Saiyan. Final Flash. I'm just gonna freaking spam Final Flash. Final Flash. Dang, I missed that time. Final Flash! I'm gonna keep spamming it. Gallic Gun. Gallic Gun. There's not really any proof of him doing the Gallic Gun. Final Flash. Didn't it look like he was taunting me? You know, it doesn't even matter anymore. Type in the comments what you think how good of a player I am. Yeah. Okay, he got me. And he got me. Gallic Gun, fire! Oh, he thought he walked out of that one. Oh, Bardock thought he could do a lot of things. He thought he could stop Frieza from destroying Planet Vegeta, but y'all know how that turned out. Fail. Dang it, I did the wrong way. Got that boy way off guard. Hit that with that Final Flash. I'm a Super Saiyan like, whoa. Guess what? Sorry, I'm doing XYZ. Why did I mention his name? I'm gonna get copyrighted. Wait, what did they do? I did that right in his face. Did you see that? I did that. That was a little bit disrespectful. Dang it, he shot his first. Alright, I gotta finish this. Spam. Final. Dang it! Come on! Dang it! I lost. Well, I didn't want King Vegeta and we're towing anyway, since... Okay, guys, now, I want you guys to choose which reenactment battle I want you to do for me. These are the reenactment battle choices. Trunks versus Goten. Kid Trunks versus Goten. Team Gohan versus Fire for Perfect Cell. Kaioken Goku versus Vegeta Scouter, which is the Vegeta with the Scouter. Kaioken Goku versus Nappa. Regular Goku as a Super Saiyan versus Cooler. Future Trunks versus King Cold. Vegeta versus Super Boo. Goku versus as Super Saiyan 3 versus Super Boo. Gogeta as a Super Saiyan versus Janemba. Gotenks versus Super Boo. Not done yet. Goku Super Saiyan 3 versus Majin Buu. If you're following me, let's just write in the comment section. Team Gohan versus a Cell Jr. Goku as a regular Super Saiyan versus Android 21. Okay, now I'm just reenacting almost like every single battle. But here's the last one. Bardock versus Frieza. No, Frieza versus Bardock. And Super Saiyan Vegeta, Goku and Vegeta versus Golden Frieza. How about that? I'm done. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. And bye! Oh, it didn't work.